Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wave my hair using the Beauty Works triple waver. This is currently on offer when I'm doing this video, so I hope that it's still on offer when you see this. I will leave my link and code below, but without further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
What I like about you, so dangerous, I get this.
So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I could do my short hair with the waver, because since I put up this picture on Instagram, I've had so many messages saying please can you do a tutorial, and I will, because it's super simple, super easy, super quick. Best thing for me because I've got like thin and fine hair. So yeah, let's get straight into it and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, just run out of battery. Okay, right, so this is the Beauty Works waver that I got from Look Fantastic. I got it with a voucher that they sent to me a few months ago, just to be transparent. But it comes beautifully packaged. Like, is this not just a package of dreams? Cream, white, gold, right up my alley. All their products come with these like travel cases, which I just love, and I can't wait to set up like my makeup desk with all these white and gold hair tools because I'm really sad. This is the triple waver. It's absolutely stunning. I love the aesthetics of it and everything. I love that this actually comes with a silicone. It comes with a heatproof mat, but it also comes with a little silicone mat as well, which I can't find for you at the moment because we are doing the bedrooms and it's chaos, let me tell you. But I'm going to plug this in and show you exactly how quick this is. So it's got a LED screen on there which tells you whether it's on or off, and then it's got an adjustable temperature control. It goes up to 220 degrees I believe, but I'm going to set it at 180, and then it's got a little kickstand on here as well so that it doesn't burn your carpet. This is really quick and easy. Normally I would put a heat protector on my hair, but again I can't find it because of us doing the rooms, but I'll leave the picture of the one I use here. It's called Unique One, it's by Revlon, and it's incredible. It smells like coconut. My hairdresser recommended it and I love it. So I feel like my light is making a weird flicker. I don't know whether it's just me. Anyway, so all you need is a clip because you do it in sections, but it is really, really simple. I like to go, you'll need like an inch section at the bottom, like so, and then I will split it in half just so I can see what I'm doing for the purpose of this video. But with these, it shows you how it's heating up. So we're already on 137, 138, 140, we're already almost there. The one thing that I love about this for short hair like mine, especially thin and fine hair, is it gives you loads of volume at the root, which is really important, and it really lasts, because again with thin and fine hair I find that curls drop very, very quickly. So doing the triple wave is actually really good because it lasts a hell of a lot longer. So we are already up to temperature. That was quick, and I'm going to show you. So you go straight, you open it up, you go straight to the root and clamp down, and you leave it for like a couple of seconds, and then you go down. It's just like you go down in uniform to where you've just triple waved, and that is it. That is it done. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. You grab your hair as close to the root as possible without burning yourself. You don't want to do that. And then again, just make sure you've got the whole lot done, and that is it. You don't want to brush through it, you just want to leave it and leave it to cool as well. So I should have really, I'm going to do this in real time, and bear in mind I'm speaking you through it as well, so you can see just how quick it is. I just use my nails to drag around and section off and the next bit, and then I'll probably take a little bit from here as well, just so that I'm taking in some of the front. And again, you triple waver up to the root. Don't burn your ear. They are really hot, just be wary of that. They do scare me a little, I'm not gonna lie, about my ear there, but just got to be a bit more careful than me. You get your next section. I haven't even got a mirror behind me, I've literally just got a mirror to the side of me here, and that's how easy it is. And you just follow the contour of how the waves are. That's that. Don't burn myself this time. I'll try not to anyway. I could probably have it even lower than 180 if I'm honest. Because my hair does curl pretty well. It's just that it drops pretty well too, that's the problem. So you can generally feel if you've got any bits that aren't curled, because you'll just feel the heat of your hair. You could obviously do it with a mirror behind you as well, but you know, we all haven't got time for that. Busy mum and all that jazz. Section, again, just a little bit further up. You just go by eye as well, like there's no specific important way to do it. You just want to make sure that you've got, that you're doing all your hair. So, and I like to go as close to the root as I physically can, because like I say, because of root lift, I think it does so good for root lift. You can see how long I'm leaving it on, it's just not long at all, which again is really good, because heat in my hair, I don't like to put too much heat on it either. So this is just like nice and quick and simple, and doesn't put too much heat on it for too long. Like when I run the straighteners through, I'm constantly thinking to myself, God, my hair is just frazzling under here. That bit, I've got a little bit of straight there as well, so that in a minute. That I've got everything. A nice little look. And then I think, to be honest, we're almost there now, so I'll just take the back section now. So I like to make sure that the back is going to look nice, so I'll just, what I'll do, I normally will just do this blind, but I'll tie it up just so you can see. So I'll just section this bit away at the front, and I've got this like back chunk here. How is it that my roots need doing already? Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna get this back section like so. And again, because the head is so big, you can do like big chunks as well, which is why it's so quick. That is it, that's that section done. Do that this side. Okay, and then when we're up the top, I will put a side parting when I have my hair like this. So there's probably one more section on this side to do. Just check that my parting is right, about there. And then I'll do this in, say, like another 3 sections maybe. Just get a little knotty now. Okay. Like there. Right down to the root. If you kind of almost stand your hair on end, you get a bit close to the root as well. But honestly guys, how quick is this? It's crazy, like crazy. Okay. I've been filming for 11 minutes and I'm like showing you how to do it as well. So that just goes to show how quick it takes. I wonder if I'll get this video done in 15 minutes. I reckon so. All the curling section anyway. Beautiful waves as well. Like I just can't recommend them enough. Okay. I'll probably do this in just the last 2 now. So just flip that over there. Again, to try and get as close to the root as possible for a little bit of root lift. And that is it. So at this point you want to leave your, so turn your thing off. You don't want to burn your carpet like I've just done. Don't tell Matt. I think that's like decent in there, I don't know. That's why I called it the Heatproof Mat, Juliette. She's just like done that to start with. If you see any like straight bits, this is where you can go over them while the curl is still hot but not on. And then that's it. You want to wait for this to curl. Do not brush through it. When it comes to it, when the curls are dry, I'm just going to like gently run through my fingers and run my fingers through it. And just while I'm just waiting for them to curl, I will actually just quickly tell you, because a couple of people have asked. So I have bleach on my hair. It is bleach, and then it's a toner. So it is, I have asked my hairdresser, it's not ILLUMINA 1069 is what I normally have. For anybody who wants to know, that is the colour of my hair. Just to feel. So yeah, this is pretty much cooled down now. So what you do is you can just run your fingers through it just to like break up the curls a little bit, and a bit of a zhuzh. But that is it. How much volume does that give my hair? Like, it is crazy. Let me just quickly show you the back. So yeah, that is the back. Can you see? It's just so natural, so like lovely. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend that waver. With my discount at the moment is about £46 as well, which is so cheap and reasonable. They have got the Molly May one on there as well, which is more expensive, but it's just because it's white and pink, not white and gold. And if I'm honest, I like the white and gold more anyway. But they do have the Molly May one if you are interested as well. That is how I wave my short hair. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.